Class, our learning objective for this lesson is I can tell the sounds in a word. Yesterday, we looked at our ABC chart and we talked about all the different sounds that each one of these letters say. Remember, some letters make one sound and some letters make more than one sound. Now, it is important that we know those sounds because words are made up of letters. And if we know the sounds those letters make, we can make all the different sounds in a word. So right here, I have a word card, but I've covered up the word because I want you to look at the picture for a second. This is a picture of run. The little boy is running. Let's make all the sounds in the word run. Go ahead and use your choppers and make all three sounds. Ready? R, n. Run. All right. What is the first sound that you hear in the word run? R. Very good. What is the last sound that you hear in the word run? N. So if we were to look at the word, you can see that it is R-U-N. R-U-N. All right, let's look at another word. If we looked at the picture on this card, you can see that this little girl is taking a nap. Can you say that word? Nap. Good. Go ahead and get your choppers ready. I want you to chop all the sounds in the word nap. N, a, p. Great job. Okay, what is the first sound that you hear in nap? Very good. And what is the last sound that you hear in the word nap? P. Great job. All right, let's look at the word. Nap. Nap. Let's look at another one. Let me get my card. Okay, here is our new word. Look at the number. What number is that? 6. 6. Say the word 6. Great job. Okay, get your choppers ready. I want you to make all the sounds in the word 6. Go ahead. Good. You should have made the sounds s, I, x. What sound do you hear at the end of the word 6? X. What sound do you hear in the middle of the word 6? I. Okay, now let's look at the word. Six. Which letters in this word are consonants? Which letters in this word are consonants? The S and the X. The I is not a consonant, it is a vowel. Okay, let's look at our next word. Pen. Say the word pen. Pen. Very good. Okay, get your choppers ready. Chop all the sounds in the word pen. Great job. You should have said p-e-n. What is the first sound that you hear in the word pen? P. What is the last sound that you hear in the word pen? Let's look at the word. What letters do you think you're going to see? P-N. P-E-N. P-E-N. Pen. All right, now looking at this word, what is the first consonant that you see in this word? The letter P. Very good. And what is the consonant that you see at the end of the word? The letter N. So the two consonants in the word pen are P and N, and E is the vowel. This is a CVC word, consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay, friends, I've got one word left that we're going to work on today. Now, do you see this burner? It is very hot. Hot. Can you say the word hot? Good job. Okay, get your choppers. Make the sounds in the word hot. You should have said ah, t, hot. What is the first sound that you hear in the word hot? Very good. So what letter do you think we're going to see first? Yes, the letter H. Now let's think about the end of the word hot. What is the last sound that you hear in the word hot? T. So what letter do you think we'll see at the end of the word hot? T. Let's look. Oh, let me flip it over. You can't see the vowel. There we go. Hot. Hot. This word has two consonants, H and T, and one vowel, O. Okay, friends. Great job practicing with all of our words today. Remember, all of our letters make a sound, and when we're trying to make the sounds in words, we have to be thinking about these letters. Good job!